Unlocking your car's true potential starts with an ECU remap. Imagine feeling the surge of power and torque as you accelerate. That's one of the most significant advantages of remapping your engine control unit. By optimizing the engine's performance parameters, you can experience a noticeable increase in horsepower and torque. This means quicker acceleration and a more exhilarating driving experience. But it's not just about raw power. An ECU remap can also lead to improved fuel efficiency. By fine-tuning the air-fuel mixture and ignition timing, your engine can run more efficiently. This means you can enjoy those extra miles per gallon, saving you money at the pump while still enjoying a thrilling ride. Now let's talk about throttle response. A remap enhances how your car reacts when you press the accelerator. You'll notice a more immediate response, making your driving experience feel more connected and engaging. Whether you're merging onto the highway or navigating through city traffic, that quick throttle response can make all the difference. Customization is another key advantage. Every driver has unique preferences and needs. With an ECU remap, you can tailor your vehicle's performance to match your specific driving style. Whether you want a smoother ride for daily commuting or a sportier feel for weekend adventures, the possibilities are endless. And if you've made modifications to your vehicle, an ECU remap is essential to maximize those upgrades. Whether you've added a new exhaust system, upgraded your turbocharger, or installed a cold air intake, a remap ensures that your engine is optimized to take full advantage of these enhancements. It's about harmonizing all the components of your car for peak performance. In summary, an ECU remap offers increased power and torque, improved fuel efficiency, enhanced throttle response, and the ability to customize your driving experience. Plus, it allows you to maximize any modifications you've made. So why settle for ordinary when you can unlock your car's true potential? Embrace the thrill of driving like never before.